Today I'm going to make a crane. If you don't know what a crane's a bird. Let's get started. Our first step is to fold it in half, like this. And then we're going to fold it the other way, which is our second step. There you go. Now we're going to flip it over. And I'm just going to fold it diagonally. And after this, I'm going to fold it the other side. And this is how it looks like now. So now our next step is heart. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to see like these triangles popping out. I'm going to push the two sides together to get this. I'm going to fold the two flaps on each side so that one side has two of them. Now I'm folding it down. And our next step, I'm going to take two of these layers, like this. I'm going to fold it to the guideline, like this. And I'm going to do the exact same for the other side. There we go. Now you can see it kind of looks like this. And I'm going to take that top part, I'm going to fold it down. Just going to take the whole top. There you go. So on the other side it looks like this, and this side looks like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to unfold both of these flaps, but keep that triangle down. And I'm just going to take everything up, pull it up as much as I can, not too hard though, like that. And it kind of wants to go in its own shape. So I'm going to fold those parts down. There we go. So now I have these two walking legs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this part, I'm going to fold it to the guideline kind of again. I'm going to do the exact same with the other side. Now we're going to flip it over and do the exact same thing. So now I still have these two walking legs. So this is a little bit of another heart part. I'm gonna kind of bring this two up. Like, I'm going to open this. I'm going to kind of fold it like a tiny weird. And I'm going to make a head shape for a bird. Just like that. And do the exact same, but this part's going to be its tail. So I'm just gonna fold that up, like so. Now our next step is to fold these wings down. And after this, we're gonna be done. So you bring that up. And there we have it, a crane. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!